Hello, welcome to another edition of Out and About with Martin. Today it's a beautiful sunny day. You'll see me squinting, the sun is low, shining straight into my eyes. Expect some nice warm temperatures, a bit chilly at the moment, it's very early in the morning, but it will warm up. We're going to have a walk along Baslow Edge, starting here at the Baslow Edge National Trust car park, and walking along Baslow Edge, and then do a nice circular walk along the moors and back to where we started. Starting the walk, you come out of the Baslow Edge car park, turn right, and you'll immediately see a track off to your left. You follow that up and it takes you onto the moors. So, beautiful day, it's nice and quiet, very early in the morning, so let's get walking. As soon as we start this walk, we'll come away from the road, we'll get a fantastic view of Peak District. We'll continue up this path onto Baslow Edge. If you walk along Baslow Edge, you'll get some fantastic views here. Middleton Dale over there, heads out the main road there, heading out towards Buxton. We'll come over here, heading out there towards South Derbyshire. To your left is the Eagle Stone. A local custom is that the men of Baslow must climb to the top of the Eagle Stone to prove their manliness before they can get married. Well, the sun is out, the temperature's really warmed up. A long time since I've walked in just my t-shirt. It's a lovely day today. So we're about to come across some Highland cattle. I was very wary as I passed them, keeping one eye on them and preparing to run. Those long horns were very intimidating. See one of the main roads there linking Sheffield to the Peak District. It's the Sheffield to Baslow Road. Goes down to Chatsworth Park. The road off up there to the right goes all the way over the moors towards Chesterfield. So we come to the road. We go through this gate cross over the road. Through another gate, and now we're going to be working our way back over the moorland, back to the car park at Kerber Edge. I don't know exactly what I'm going to put on this video, because my plan had been to put a lot of drone shots on, because it's an ideal place to get some really good shots. Unfortunately, my drone has decided it doesn't want to communicate with the transmitter. I've been sat on Baslow Edge for nearly an hour, messing about with settings and doing what I can with it, and it's just don't want to work. So what I'm going to finish the walk off, go home, and look on YouTube. It's my favourite source of information. Apparently there are two faults with this drone, they're common. Two plugs tend to work the way loose. So I want to go home, take the covers off, check those plugs out, see if I can get the drone working. And if I can, I shall pop back tomorrow. Shan't do all the way walk, I shall just come out, do the drone shots and edit it in. So at this point I don't know whether you've had any drone shots or not. The joys of making YouTube videos, things can go wrong. Very quiet out here today. See one or two people walking around, a few runners. Afraid running's not for me, I prefer a nice gentle stroll. So as you come up to the path, you'll see in front of you a small ridge there, and just before we get to the ridge you'll see another path off to your left along here, and this is the path that we're going to take. And this will loop us round back to the car park. We've walked up the path, come to this wall, and now we're going to turn left, head downhill. You can see that cluster of trees in the distance. That's our destination, the Kerber Edge car park. So for an update on the drone, I thought I had it fixed. I got a few short flights out of it and it developed the same fault again. So returned it to Amazon, received a full refund, and have now upgraded to a DJI Mini 2. If you enjoyed this video, like to see more, quite a few videos on my YouTube channel now, out and about with Martin. Got some walks on there, got some car shows, visits to historic houses and places, lots to see. So subscribe and check out more of my videos. So until next time, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.